AI is changing everything about how we work. The World Economic Forum says 92 million jobs are being displaced.
But the good news is that it's also creating 170 million brand new ones by 2030. The people who land these jobs are going to work in a completely different way than most people today. Let me show you. The tool is called Claude Cowork, and we're going to use it on real-world business tasks. And at the end, I'll tell you what this means for your career specifically. So what exactly is Claude Cowork? Think about the software you use right now, whether that's Salesforce, Jira, or any other tool. Those apps are basically just a bunch of screens you work at. You do all the clicking, typing, thinking. The software just helps you shuttle the data you give it. Claude Cowork flips that completely. You describe a task and the AI goes off and does the work for you. It comes back with a finished output, a report, a presentation, a matched invoice, whatever you asked for. That's why software company stocks lost over $1 trillion in value recently, as investors rethink legacy software models in an AI-first world. Wall Street sees what's coming, AI that really does your work. But here is what you need to understand. There are 3 popular flavors of Anthropic's Claude AI right now, and they're very different. First, chatbots like ChatGPT or the regular Claude interface. You ask questions, you get answers. It does not take actions and does not remember much beyond a single conversation. Second, Claude Code. This is a powerful coding agent which is the precursor to Cowork but is mostly for developers. Third is Cowork. This is built using Claude Code and has the same concept, but it is designed for regular business people, not engineers. It takes actions, remembers context, and connects to your real work tools. Cowork is the one we are focusing on today. Before we get to the demos, you need to know 4 concepts. This will make everything else click and help you see where this is going in your job. The first concept you need to know is context. This is what gives Cowork the memory that's critical. Unlike a basic chatbot, you give Cowork access to a specific folder on your computer. Think of it like handing a new hire exactly the files they need for a task. The AI works only from what you give it, and it stays inside that folder. The second concept is skills and commands. Skills are your standard operating procedures, the step-by-step playbook for how your coworker does things. This is how you turn repeatable workflows into something Cowork can run again and again. The third concept you need to know is connection. This is how you connect Cowork to your existing tools, whether it's your CRM, your ticketing system, your email, or even your calendar. Now, with these connections, it can pull live data and take real action. The final concept is plugin. Plugins bundle all these 3 concepts into a ready-made specialist you can use immediately. There are plugins already built for finance, legal, marketing, sales, customer support, and more. It's like hiring a coworker who showed up with key training completed on day 1. Now, let's see this thing actually work in real-world scenarios. So let's start with our first real-world use case, invoice processing. This is a common use case in most organizations. I have pointed it to the invoice processing folder. Give it a simple prompt. The prompt says to take the latest invoice document from that folder, extract the data, and put it in a spreadsheet. If you look at the right side, you can see it has made a plan to extract the invoice, check it, append the data to the spreadsheet, and verify the spreadsheet. It extracted the 4 line items, and now you can view the Excel where it put the data. So we're opening it up, and you can see that it's put in the data. Compare it with the invoice that we gave it. So this is the file, the invoice file. So let's open it up and let's look at the descriptions here, and comparing the descriptions, they are correct, including the line amount. The invoice is processed and the data is put in the spreadsheet. Now we want to take it further and do 3-way matching. This is a common thing that's done in the organization to match the invoice with the purchase order and goods receipt. And it consumes a lot of hours for the finance and accounting professional. I gave it a prompt to do this 3-way matching, and it's It again has a plan here. It's now all the 3 documents are extracted successfully, and now it's performing the full analysis, the 3-way match report. And here is the 3-way match it has done with the purchase order, goods receipt, and the invoice. And you can see that it has gone ahead and matched line to line. It has provided a verdict that it's approved. Now that we have matched the invoices with the PO and the goods receipt, we can send it for approvals for payment. So I've given it a prompt. It's drafted that email which needs to be sent. Here you'll notice that it was a 3-step workflow. We processed the invoices, put it in a spreadsheet, we did the 3-way matching, and then we have sent an email. So it's a 3-step workflow, which unlike in a chatbot where you'll have to go and do each of these things separate and upload these documents and keep doing it, here is a repeatable way to do it, and you can create a skill by which you can do this 3-step process always that an invoice comes in. So I hope that gives you a sense of the power of Claude Cowork. It is not just chatting with it, it is basically carrying out action in a workflow across tasks, which is what makes it different from something like a chatbot. Here is another real world use case. I put the data for generating a ticket report in this ticket report folder, and the ticket report has the file that I need. So I pointed it at the ticket report folder, and then you can see the file here. It has got data for the various teams, and then I go to the Cowork, and then I'm giving it a detailed prompt. And this is something we used to construct every month for our customers. So this is some real world use case. And so it has started out on this process. As you can see, it has gone ahead and created the slide, and it's ready to generate the presentation. It's generated it, so you can click on it and view it. So you can see the slides for the presentation. Getting started with Claude Cowork is straightforward. You install the Claude app from their website. It's available for both Windows and Mac desktop. You will need a paid subscription to access Cowork, unlike Claude Chat. One heads up, this is still in preview and it has many rough edges. I have hit problems during installation as well as working with plugins. These are teething issues, and Anthropic is actively working through them with frequent updates. Once set up, you're ready to connect folders, add plugins, and start delegating real work. Before you go all in, here are 3 security points you need to be aware of. First, only give Cowork access to specific folders for the task at hand, not your entire computer. Second, never point it at folders containing your passwords or your raw financial records or personal data. Third, be aware of something called prompt injection, where malicious instructions can be hidden inside documents you give the AI. Stick to files you trust, especially if Cowork is connected to systems that can take real actions. The principle is simple. The least access you grant, the safer you are in day-to-day use. Treat it like a new contractor, not a trusted employee with master key access. So here is the part I promised you. What does all this actually mean for your career? The software you use today, whether it's Salesforce, Jira, etc., these tools will still exist, probably in the backend or wrapped with AI layers. Instead of you navigating menus and clicking through screens, you'll describe what you need, and the AI will handle the execution steps for you in the future. That's from a tool's perspective. And for your role will shift to directing, validating, and owning the output, not going through the screens and pushing the button. What we're seeing from early adopters is that the most effective people are running multiple bot instances at once, the way a manager runs multiple team members. So you assign a task, it runs, you review the result, you move on and queue the next one. Your productivity becomes about how many workflows you can orchestrate, not how fast you can move through screens or how fast you can type. The new job titles emerging from this shift reflect exactly that. You have roles like forward deployed AI engineer, AI orchestration lead, AI legal specialist, AI account analyst, and so on. The pattern is clear. Domain expertise plus the ability to direct and validate AI work is the new high value skill. So there you have it. Claude Cowork is not just a new feature, it represents a genuine shift in how work gets done across white-collar roles. All this is powered by Agentic AI, which is the broader trend driving all this major development. If you want to go deeper on that, I have a dedicated video on Agentic AI that will give you the full picture and practical examples. Link is right up here on the screen and also down in the description. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I track where AI and work are headed, and I break it down in plain language for people like you. Leave a comment below on where you think work is headed with AI. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.